Cats acting like dogs. You have to see this to believe it. Cats are known for being independent, mysterious, and a little snobby, but not these kitties. Today we're diving into the hilarious world of cats that think they're dogs. From fetching candy to barking at intruders, these furry weirdos break all the feline rules. Hash 8, the candy fetcher. Dogs love chasing thrown stuff. Cats? Not so much. But this little guy loves running after candy like it's his job. His human tosses a piece and boom, off he goes, again and again.
Ya po, cánsate po.
Hash 7 barking cat? There's something or someone on the roof and the dog barks to scare it off. But hold up, is that the cat barking too? Yep, this feline's giving off full canine energy. Hash 6, cat on a leash. Getting a cat to wear a leash is almost impossible, but this chill kitty, totally cool with it. He's out walking with his human like it's no big deal. Hash 5, the feline security guard. No dog, no problem. This cat keeps watch from the window, ready to alert the household if anything fishy happens outside. Hash 4, defender of the house. When a raccoon tries to sneak in, this brave kitty puffs up and scares it away like a pro. And he doesn't stop there. He stays on patrol to make sure it doesn't come back. Hash 3, paw for treats. Sit, paw, good kitty. This clever cat knows how to earn his snacks by giving a proper handshake. Who needs a dog when your cat's this smart?
Siéntate, 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 siéntate. Mueve la pata. Eso. Mueve la pata. Pata. Patica.
Hash 2, trickmaster.
Vueltas, vueltas, vueltas. Siéntate.
Spin, sit, paw. This cat does it all, like he was a dog in a past life. His owner gives the commands and he nails every one, tail wags not included.
Siéntate. Vueltas, vueltas, vueltas. La pata.
Hash 1, water lover. Water and cats don't mix, unless you're this wild feline. He loves chasing the hose spray like a dog at a backyard party. Total chaos. The traveling cat. Ever wanted to road trip with your pet? This man and his cat are living the dream, camping, hiking, and vibing in the great outdoors. Goals, honestly. A panting cat. Yep, this fluffy friend lies back on the bed and pants just like a dog. Who knew cats could even do that? Don't leave just yet, there's plenty more funny animal chaos to explore. Pick your favorite and keep the laps going.